everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sumana. We all know Valentine's Day is coming soon, so today I create a Valentine's Day makeup look and share with you guys. If you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. Before starting, if you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. You also follow me on my Instagram. So without delay, let's go into the video. Here is my final look. I pick a red top and some stone accessories and make a high ponytail for create a very sexy and glam night look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. That is it for today. I see you in my next video soon. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, keep smiling, and happy Valentine's Day in advance. Bye.